Hey guys, look at this. I got a bazooka. Wait, was that Granny?
Akin na. Akin na.
Rest in peace, my Granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Dati ka para dami tayo hit the hookah. Come on! Oh! Ah! Okay guys, we're playing Granny. Okay, it's called Destroy Grandma for being evil. She doesn't even want us to buy my favorite toy. Goomba! Okay, just kidding. I love a Roblox action figure. Oh, there's my boring toy rocket. Ah, bam, 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 bam. Rest in peace, me. I got hit by a granny. Me too. Wait, where should I get one? I guess this one's already. Is he outside?
No.
Where's Granny? Oh, she's outside. She's really outside. Goodbye, Granny. You're gonna get my jacket. Trick shot.
Bye bye. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Oh, oh, oh. Ow.
Ay, tae.
I got hit by a granny. Kablag.
Sleeping.
Kabugs. Kabin. I need ice cream.
Sleeping. Sakit.
I need items. These are granny items. Oh my god.
Natinting ay gani na ito. Asuka. Come on.
Okay, also featuring Danik
Palo
here.
sa plate.
Boom! Let's go, Danrik. Danrik is over apple. Go. If you want to Danrik okay, pause.
Ay,
Pause.
Melo!
Pause it
Base
again.
swap! Melo, base swap!
Oh, you got a bit of. Anyway, here.
Yay! Please join! Join!
Oh, I forgot to. Yep. Grandma's house.
Yay, ganito. Ito,
Wait, who was the granny? Well, there's no choice. We need to. Wah! Wah! Ayun na si Granny, guys. Nalabas ako sa window. You're gonna get that Granny. I mean, the next the Granny. He's actually not that. Oopsie. R.I.P. Grandpa. Whoa.
ano?
Boom. We're out of here. Bagay kayo, bagay. Oh, he AFK. Yan, AFK. Oh, no. Let's go to college. Yo, where's the Granny? Oh, see a Granny. I need keys. No, my key.
Kailangan ko ng susi. What the? Ito ba yan?
Hi, Granny.
Kailangan ko na. What the? Isa lang dito.
Someone already opened the riches. I think everyone just collected all of the keys.
Wala no, wala no.
Ito. Wala na. Oh my.
Okay. Wala ko pa.
What's a bus? Ano to? I'm gonna use this on Granny.
Wala gani, ano, isa. Kanin ball.
I have a gun.
Wala.
Where's Granny?
Akin na, akin na.
Granny!
Akin na.
I cannot drop it!
Akin na.
See! Ay, hindi ko nga ma-drop!
Diyan, akin na.
Eh, mauubos yung ammo. Oh, hi, Granny. Let's see, hi, Granny. See that you got the gun. Ay, wala na. Ubos na.
Oh, man. Saan ka pa lang isa?
Ha, alala, isa lang yun.
Akin na, iki.
Granny. There you have some fish here.
Bye. Wala gani, wala.
Ew!
Wala gani, ano, itabas.
Where's Granny? Is she scared? Uh, there's so many kids.
Wala ko tool. Ha? Wala ko na gamit.
Just use the tools in the ground.
Wala din.
There, I hit her. She has low health. Go, Vash.
Kanin ball.
Oh, you got a cannonball. Nice.
Ay. Oy, mo.
Oh. Patay!
Kapatay ko.
Dead. Yeah! Okay, William. William looks good. Okay. Let's go. Okay, join.
May flap ulit.
Okay, now, restaurant. Let's go to restaurant. That's American! That's American! It's actually right there! Why do they keep American? Oh. Oh, wait, we're in the restaurant. China. Oh, ow. Timmy, let's go. Yeah. Timmy, be quiet.
Wala na ulit susi. Ayun. Ako sa hindi ko amda. What?
Timmy, where are you? I mean, Dunrick. I have the spaghetti. Granny, would you like some? Granny. Is Granny downstairs?
Yup.
Where is she? That's outside. Oh yeah, she outside. Hey, Granny. Oh. Granny, I cooked you spaghetti.
Wala ko ganang susi. Nagpunta ka ng susi.
I don't know.
Okay.
But still, I need to find a lot more chests.
Please susi.
I found boiling water.
Ano ito?
This should burn her. Oh,
Saan kumakalay?
oh. She burned. She burned so well. How did she? Oh my god, she's so
Ay,
dumb.
tae.
Dumb.
Ay,
Dumb.
tae.
Dumb. Oh.
Oh, sa'yo yan. Thank you very much. Away mo.
We got spaghetti.
Okay.
I got a grenade.
Ako na. Gusto lang
But if I throw it, it will like.
Ah?
Sorry, because there's the other person might get it.
Pero,
Rest in peace, my granny. She got it. But
wala na ako tol.
anyway, back in the cave.
Wala na.
There's another there.
Walang, akin na.
The cave is under.
Saan? Ante.
In this restaurant. Wait, I'm stucky.
Okay. Thank
Oh,
you. Saan?
oh there.
Saan?
Escape. I'm there. I'm here, Dominic.
Where's it?
Where are you? I'm this kid.
Saan ka?
Andito lang. Dominic, why did you go there? I mean, oh my
Okay.
ah.
Where's it now?
Magdadala ako ng key, ah.
Where's it now? Wow.
Nasa butas. Doon. Dali. Ayan o.
Okay.
Bulagi.
Hindi na open ko yun eh.
Oo nga, ikaw ang nag-open. Wala, hindi pa din si Granny.
Bless. Open.
Where's the other keys? Naubos na ng mga bata.
Bless.
Naubos na yung mga keys.
Okay.
Wait lang, stay there.
What?
Baka makuha ka ni Granny at saka I found another key.
What? Bless. Akin na. Akin na yung ano. Yung secret. One hit tapos siya. Akin na ah. Akin na.
Ito sa'yo. Oh, oh, oh. Sakapay.
Bless. Dito ka.
Aba, kinipit ako ni Granny. Wala, tik na ako ma-stuck.
Bless.
Ikaw ah, Granny. I'm gonna take revenge. Ha, 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 ha. Ay. Oh.
Bless.
I need key.
Nakuha na.
Ay. Wala, nakuha. May nagkuha na ng grenade mo.
Oh.
That's a shame. I have a key.
There we go. Wala na tools.
Out.
Wala to.
Gosh, where's the grenade? Did he miss it? Oh my god, did it even kill the brains? The spaghetti. Oh,
Saan siya?
boiling water.
Saan siya?
Good. Wow. Ang tagal na to. I can see.
Wala ano.
I killed baby once again. Okay, nice. So,
Ano na sa
Ayun, may nag-join na. Hi, Dave. Okay, sorry for posting guys.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Let me.
Oh, it's the girl.
There.
Go, 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 go.
Go 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 go.
Is this?
Oh,
There's no key.
thank you. Oh, ikaw ba yun? Nakulit ng key.
Oh my god, it's really hot.
Ikaw na win.
What's that? Oh, later.
Naman dito again. Okay. Let's join. Join.
Oh, yeah. I'll see. Let's see.
Oh.
Collect all the keys as you can. Mine says exactly 3. I mean, there's a lot of branches in the map, right? What's this? Oh, I need this.
Andiyan siya.
Where is she?
Let's join. Doon.
Oh, it's Granny.
Doon ka. Doon ka.
Hi, Granny.
Oh. Lagi ako
I got thrown away.
Kailan ko lang ano. Bakit? Anak mo.
Okay, I'm gonna find
Lagi
an
ako
adventure.
Gago.
Need to find green chest in the. Oh, found it! It's in the treehouse. Oh, yan, dito ako.
Saan?
Treehouse.
Dito ako.
Quick, before Grandma gets you. Where are you? Quick, you're getting chased by Granny.
Nakita ko. Thank you,
Dali,
Granny.
dali, dito, dito.
Dito.
Quick! Oh, there, it's chasing the other child. Quick, quick. Ito, wait lang. Ito yung sa'yo, yung green. Ito yung green. Grenade yung sa'yo.
Thank you.
Sa akin yung isa pang key dito. I had opened this chest. I got a butcher's knife. How great.
Saan siya? Saan siya?
Hala, nakik yung ano! Ah!
Hello, Gary. Teka yan. Nakita ba dito?
Wait, did you miss?
No. Ay, Tenes. Dapat pa.
Ah, ba. She's strong. You still got the grenade. You can do it.
Okay.
Throw it before. Oh my god. Throw it away. There!
There we go. Thank you
That's my
very
butcher
much.
knife. I found my butcher
Oh,
knife.
wow.
There, Danny.
I need one my green.
Oh no.
How about my brush? Dito may brush.
Now I found another item.
Dito may brush.
Okay, use it.
Saan si Granny? Saan si Granny?
Granny's in the greenhouse.
Greenhouse?
Yes.
Where's he?
Greenhouse is on a full ground.
So,
Is that you holding? She's outside holding a ano. She's outside on the there, out
oh,
the
there
bakery.
we
Let's go inside.
Oh, yeah. Molotov. Saan na siya?
Oh no, I need to get it before she kicks me. Get this key. No,
Saan, saan siya?
I have another butcher knife.
Wala na ako ano.
She's inside the tiger.
Okay. Saan siya? Saan?
Oh no, she kicked me. Ah! Oh! Now I'm under the table.
Opa.
How ungrateful, Granny. Oopsie, oops.
Thank you.
I'm in the cafeteria. Oh no. Woof.
Thank you.
She's gonna hit me.
Opa.
Oh, I have a paintbrush.
Super, super.
We press on your face.
What?
Oops. No, you spilled my cereal. Are you with me? I'm getting out. Are you in the arts room?
Yeah?
Hola, where are you? Wait. No, this is the bathroom. Oh, you're in the hallway. Yes, that's where Danny is. Collect some keys there. Okay, one.
Akin yun.
Oh, here. Meron din keys.
Uwi na ako. Uwi na ako.
Okay. We'll
Ano
get
yung
triple
key?
life. Hey, Granny, where are you? Granny.
Open the door!
Oh, I can just break it. Oh no, I cannot break the window. That's the exit. Anyway, where's Granny? I think Granny got away. Oh no, Granny! Granny, no!
Saan ka?
She's in the daycare area. She's in the classroom.
Okay.
Oh no.
Wala ko pa open. Saan yung chest? Chest. Saan may chest? Yun. Men, sa farm. Sa farm. Yes! Yes, dito. Oh,
Get it!
No!
No!
Granny, that was okay. That was that was okay.
I got hit by a bazooka.
Sunshine. Sunshine. Sunshine.
There, she dead. Yeah. Oh my god! No one is playing it. Okay, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's nice. We're gonna go at Granny's house. We're going back at Granny's house. Okay. Oh, this time I'm the granny.
Attack me.
Only if you're bad, my children. Time to water the plants.
Don't attack me.
Very cool.
Kasi best friend ko ka.
Who tried to throw a bottle of Nutella?
Kukulit lang ako na.
Time to water.
Okay? Okay?
Even this one too.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay, there's somebody very happy. You're not well behaved, kids.
Okay, yan. Maybe.
Kids, behave.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna clean.
Inda.
Wow! Hey, I'm watering the plant. Now, always. I need to mop the garage floor. Let's go mop the garage floor.
Oh,
Stop it. A naughty kid.
Ah, saan ka,
Time to
Granny?
check the mail.
Saan ka, Granny?
Time to check the mail box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, darling. Ouch.
Hello! Saan ka? Saan ka?
Oh, it's from
Saan
London.
ka? Pagkita ka atin. Saan ka? Saan ka? Saan ka na? Saan
These
ka na?
graphics being naughty today.
Saan ka?
I bet they will.
Saan ka na? Saan ka na?
Time to water the plants. Hi, little children.
Ay,
I'm just spraying.
yay.
Ouch. I
Daddy,
farted.
mamado ka.
Anyway, time to go downstairs. La 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 la. Oh, that hurt. I hope my grandkids don't play too much.
Papatay ko dito siya. Saan ka?
Hey, time to do a big toy. Oh, what a
Saan ka?
mess.
Saan ka?
That's so sweet. Anyway, that was the kids are nice. The kids are very nice. They're so sweet. Get it? All over the place. They're so wrong. Dahil, why did you choose? Okay, okay. Oh, easy mode. Done it, but the other house is easy. But I win as a granny. You can also win as a granny, Bambam. Best to be my granny, she got it right. Hello. Oh no. Hey, give me that. Yay, yay. Hey, give me that. Hey, yes, hey, ace. Oh look, key. Ah, this is my ladle now. Anyway, shoot. Oops, wrong way.
Thank you.
Granny, this is just one of the window of my convenience. Oh.
Thank you.
Granny, don't run away from me. Yeah. Never mind, it doesn't ano. There's the other key. Today, we're gonna unlock the super secret thingy over there.
Buksan mo nga yung ano,
Bamba!
yung bintana.
Uh,
Ibuksan mo nga yung bintana.
where?
Yung dito.
Okay,
Dito.
that's wait. I'm gonna use it by having this.
What? What?
Where are you, Granny? I need to open the windows.
Baa.
Granny! Oh, rest in peace, my granny. She got it by a book.
Rinig na.
Rar! No, just leave. Not gonna boom boom boom. Hey! No, 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 no! Don't you dare. Or I'll hit you. Ow, 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 did you kuryente? Ow! Granny, not nice. It's not me. It's not me.
Tayo.
Granny, it's not me. Run fast as you can! Go, run! We go. Oh my god, they can't catch you. Ah, they keep hitting me. Where. Okay, fine. Granny, Danrik, I'm gonna protect you, okay? I have this block to open the window. What window should I open?
Open the door. Open
Oh, that window. Okay, wait lang. Oh. There's a kid on that window.
the baba. The baba.
Oh no, there's kids. Oh no, stand up quickly, stand up. Oh no,
Ah,
wait, real quickly.
diba?
Complete all the tasks.
Ilan na lang?
You got one left. Not four.
Ano? Ito pa.
Where's the question mark? Oh no. Black. Andito black. Ay, hala. Black. No, black. Ha, that's, oh no.
Ito
No. Mine. God. Ha.
Saan? Saan?
Oh no.
Saan?
Follow the question mark.
Saan na? Saan?
The spider web nasa taas. Nasa ano, second floor. So guys, let me break. Alright, there we go. Danic wins, I guess. Danic wins. Oh,
Oh,
maybe.
brother!
Nice. Okay. Okay, let's play now. Restaurant, I think.
Tanong ka,
No, go selecting randomly. Order.
Restaurant?
Please restaurant. This is the restaurant. What is the restaurant? I quickly need to grab some things. No. No.
Open mo yung ano ah. Ayun yung one piece, yung sa channel. Open mo.
Oh, shoot. Missed.
Open mo.
Okay, I opened the window. Okay, na-open the window. Bah! Okay. I saw what's up. Everyone's burning. Yeah, I need a key too.
Dito ka.
Hala, do you have three keys? Wait. Oh, you can unlock it.
Dito ka.
Here's how you know while you're there. Just open the you kill Granny. Wait, is it open? Oh no, it's not open by someone. Quick! Oh, is that you? Quick, open it. Okay, there. Oh no, I have not enough keys. Okay, there, pick up the grenade. Okay, nice. Ha! Granny's down there. Bomb her.
Dito ko.
Does it throw it back at Granny?
No.
Where did the bomb go? There. How can I? Oh, Granny needs to. How are we gonna lead this to Granny? Oh, there. There, yes, yes, we're leading it to Granny. Quick, pull it to Granny. Kick it into Granny's shoes. Put the grenade on her shoe.
Good plan.
Wait, where did she go? No, she escaped. Why did you let her escape? I didn't even. Oh my god. Somehow we need to yeah, sayang lang yung grenade. Oh my god. Sayang yung grenade. Oh wait, she's escaped.
Yes, kunay. Agad kunay. Talo siya. Meron kunay. I lost it. I lost it. Wow.
Ba't kasi ano, na-throw mo yung grenade sa ilalim? Eraikyo. Somehow I need to stun her. I can stun her with this. Great idea. Okay, let's stun her with boiling water.
Meron siya. Meron ako dito. Ano?
Where's the, where's Granny?
Andito meron ako dito.
Oh, there's Granny. Hi, Granny. Would you like here, have some soup again. Granny burger. Wow, I got another soup. Wait, 10 coins, ayos.
Akong wala pa. Pero,
Tama, hindi pa tapos na to.
wala na ako.
Oh, it's unbreakable.
Wala na din yung gamit.
Unbreakable!
Gamit.
How are we gonna do that? We have no gamit too. I cannot find does this fall? Where's Granny? Kasi pisnag ni siya kasi pa yung bazooka kaya take about it. Oh, there's Granny. What's on her?
Unang warti.
How?
Pero si, ano,
Wait, 40! 40! She well, spaghetti. I like spaghetti cheese. Oops. Granny, oh. Oh, I need the boiling water. This is super important. Oh, oh no, not on us. Wait! Wait!
wala pa.
Boiling water.
Saan siya? Sa labas?
Yeah, I think she went outside. Where are you, Granny? Evil Granny? Where's Evil Granny? She must be out here somewhere.
Nandito.
Where?
Abay.
Is she inside the restaurant?
Sa outside.
Oh, outside.
Opo. Nandito. Sa ano? Sa puno.
Oh, garden. She's back in the garden. Hi, Granny. I got a surprise. Okay, I love this tool actually.
Meron ka pa, Chris?
There's no more keys in the map. They're burning.
Ito na.
It's in the kitchen. Check it. There.
Tama. Hi, Granny.
Okay,
Granny.
where is she?
Sabi. Go. Go. In the inside. Oh, 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 I have a fork.
She's inside. Oh no.
I have a fork. What? Ah! Nakakailan lang ng ibang people. Yes. No.
There, she died. Hey! If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe.
Yes.
See you later. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.
Ito
Oh
ulit
wait,
natin.
I want to go there. I like the